Good day, everyone. So for today, let me teach you another tutorial on how to unblur. Okay, so for today, we are going to use two websites. First, the Bartleby. So here in Bartleby, we can use it to search a specific problem to a certain question, let's say in mathematics or in science. So let's say, okay, so this is my Bartleby. So as you can see here, okay, this is the problem that I am looking for. And now I want to search the answer. So this is the problem. And then here's the expert solution. So as you can see, there's a solution provided. However, it's blurred. So I need to open it. So in order to do that, let's visit another website. Kindly visit Home Workify. And then after that, once we visit the Home Workify, so this is the Home Workify. Now we are going to copy the link and then paste it here, the link on the Bartleby. So let's go to Bartleby, this one. Copy the link here. After that, once we're done copying the link, and we go to Home Workify and then paste it. After that, search. And then let's see if there's a solution provided here. Okay, Beshi, we have solution for your question. Click this. So by the way, sometimes in Homeworkify, it requires you to provide your email. And then after that, you're going to answer this CAPTCHA. After you successfully answering this CAPTCHA by just simply copying the letters here, then it will provide now the step-by-step solution so we can view it already. And then here's the step-by-step solution provided. Okay, so you can copy this or you can study this one. So that's it for our tutorial.